Have you ever wondered if we can predict a student's success before their final exams? What if we could use a data, not guesses, to help students to better in school? That's what my project is all about. Hello, my name is Mohamed Alqahm. I'm a student at Istanbul Aydın University. And in this video, I will show you how to use the data mining algorithms to predict student performance and which one give the best result. Let's start. Now I will explain the introduction of the project and the main goal. Data mining is a process used to find a pattern and useful information on large data sets in education. It helps understand how students perform and behave. This can help a teacher support their student in a better way. Performance and the main aim of my project is the test tree algorithm, which are decision tree and Neva base and random forest, and out which one gives the most accurate prediction. Well, and also the methodology, and this part of the project explain the dataset and the machine learning models. I use a dataset includes 480 students records with 17 feature at gender and nationality and absent and so on. So this is goal of the project, which student performance level like low and middle and high. Here, and for processing steps, I select the most important feature. I clean the data to remove a missing value and convert text to number. And the dataset was to split into 50 for training and 40 for testing, and I use 10 for followed cross validation. To validation the result. So that's to help you to all result average to get more reliable and fair accuracy score to help reduce overfitting and ensure the model is tested in the entire data set. So first I import the decision tree and the tools for accuracy and classification result, what is these two lines, and then I create the model and train using the training data, was this part of the code. And the next use a model to make prediction on how can I say, like test the data, what you call here. So now I calculate the accuracy here. Accuracy and the confusion matrix and the classification report. Finally, what is here, I print the accuracy in the confusion matrix and the classification report. As we can see in the result, accuracy is about 68.2, and the confusion matrix show how many where correctly are incorrect prediction in each class. So, and the classification report show the F1 score with the medium performance beginning the most accurate. So I'm using the random forest classifier to give the best result in my project. I create the model and the train using the training data. Then I make the prediction on the test data. So also here I calculate accuracy, confusion matrix, and classification report. So finally I print the result here. So then the accuracy is about 79.1. So the medium level had the best 5. What is the F1 score is about 0.87, and the model give the most balanced and accurate prediction. This page shows the comparison between the three models I use. As we see in the chart, random forest gives the best accuracy, which is 90.55. Naive Bayes came second, and decision tree was close behind. The confusion matrix on the right show the decision tree had trigger mostly between class 0 and class 2, but it predicts class 1 very well with almost no error. Blue and the confusion matrix for random forest show the better result. It predicts all classes with fewer mistakes, especially class 1 where it was almost perfect. Random forest model is the perfect one. So for the performance of the Naive Bayes model, it has accuracy of 68.75. It's very close to decision tree, and the confusion matrix show the predict class 1 will trigger more than class 2 where most error happened. That may be because Naive Bayes awesome feature are independent, which doesn't always work well with the real student data. At the bottom, I compared our result with original paper. As you can see, our model accuracies very well, and random forest give the best and the most consistent performance overall. In this project, I tested 3 machine learning models: decision tree, random forest, and Naive Bayes, to predict how students perform. And this data include things like gender, education, and so on. After training and testing models, random forest gave the highest accuracy, over 80, making it the best choice for this dataset. We also find that most students came from lower and middle education level, and male student was more active. This project showed the data preparation and choosing the right algorithm are very important when using machine learning in education.
Thank you.